Ever wondered which dog breeds are the real MVPs in the pet world? Sure, every dog pooch might have its moment in the limelight, but some breeds are total rock stars, stealing the spotlight and snuggling into the hearts of families everywhere. Today we're diving into some epic stats on the top 20 dog breeds based on family popularity. Hold up, before we roll out this list, paw that subscribe button and ring that bell for more awesome videos. So let's take a look at which dogs have captured the hearts of families across the country. Well, it looks like the Labrador Retriever has snagged the top spot, with over 12.5 million families giving this lovable furball a forever home. Labradors are basically the Avengers of the dog world, always saving the day with their charm and loyalty. If you thought that was interesting, check out the video on the screen for more countdowns.